Good evening, friends. I, your Bisht Sir, welcome you all to the third class of Algebra. I hope you have watched last two classes. So let's continue with third class. In this class, we will do numerical on these formulas which I have already taught to you. So come to this question. In this question, it is given that x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 2 under root 3. Now we have to calculate x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 4. As I taught you, for calculating this, we need to calculate n power 3 minus 3n into n square minus 2 minus n. In this question, the value of n is minus 2 under root 3. So x5 plus 1 by 5 will be n ki cube minus 2 under root 3 cube 3 minus 3 into minus 2 under root 3. It close. This will be multiplied with n square. Minus 2 under root 3 square minus 2, and this overall will be minus from minus 2 under root 3. Now this minus will be minus 2. When minus is multiplied 3 times, it will give negative value, and cube of 2 is 8. Cube of under root 3 will be 3 under root 3, and when minus 3 multiplied with them, it will give plus 3 to the 6 under root 3, bracket close. This will give square of minus will give positive, and square of 2 will be 4, and square of 1 root 3 will be 3. Minus 2, and minus this minus when come outside, it will become positive. It will be 1 root 3. So it is a 24. Minus 24 under root 3 plus 6 under root 3, and this both is a 12. 12 minus 2 will be 10 plus 2 under root 3. So it's minus here. When we add both of them, it will give minus 18 under root 3, which when multiplied by 10 plus 2 under root 3. So we can write this equation as minus 180 under root 3 plus 2 under root 3. It will give minus 178 under root 3. So your answer will be alpha. You can note it down. Next question is we have given that 1 plus 1 by a is equals to 3, and we have to calculate a ki power 6 plus power 6. So for this, firstly we have to calculate a ki power 1 plus a ki power 3, which is n ki cube minus 3n, and then we have to square of a ki 3 and a ki 3 here. So it will give this answer. So a ki 3 plus 1 by 3, n is 3, 9 ki power 3 minus 3 into 3. So it's 3 ki power 3. So 3 ki cube 3 will be 27, and 3 3 are 9. It will give 18. Now calculating a to the power 6 plus 1 by a to the power 6. As it is square of this, we have to square this. So for calculating square, we used to say n square minus 2. Here n is 18. Square of 18 minus 2. As we know, the square of 18 is 324. So we will minus 2 from 324 and our answer will be 322. So answer is bravo. Now come to this question. In this question, we have to calculate x to the power 6 plus 1 divided by x to the power 6. For calculating this, firstly we need x plus 1 by x, but we are not given this, so this equation is given. We have to make this equation in this form. So we will divide whole equation by x on both sides. As it's 0, when divided by x, it will give 0. So this equation will become x plus 3 plus 1 by x is equals to 0, or we can write it as x plus 1 by x is equals to minus 3. So we have to calculate for x ki power 3 1 by x ki power 3. So it will be minus 3 power 3 minus 3 into minus 3. We have used formula n ki cube minus 3. So it will be minus 27, and when 3 multiply with minus 3, it will give positive 9 and answer will be minus 18. Now we have to calculate x to the power 6 divided by x to the power 6. As x to the power 6 is square of this number, so we have to use this formula x square plus equals to n square minus 2 when x plus 1 by x is equals to n. So if we assume x ki cube as x and then x to the power 6 is square of it, so calculating square we need to x square minus 2. Here the value of n is minus 18, so it will be minus 18 square minus 2. So when squaring 18, it will give 324, and square of minus will be positive minus 2, so it will give answer 322. So our answer will be B. Okay, now in this question we have given that the value of x plus 1 by x is equals to 10, and we have to calculate this. So we have to put this in form of this. So we will divide both by x. This x will cut this x, square cut will 1x. So our equation will like 7 divided by x plus 1 by x minus 8. The value of x plus 1 by x is 10 minus 8. So answer will be 7 by divided by 2, which is 3.7. Sorry, 3.5. So answer will be alpha. Now come to this question. In this question, we have given that x plus 1 by x is equals to 5, and we have to calculate this. So we have to convert this in such a way, either cube square. So we will divide each one by x is x. So when we will divide this by x, it will become it this is square will become cube. and here x square minus 3x plus 1. This x will cut this x, x, and here this x will cut, it will become x cube. So on the upper side it will be x cube plus 1 divided by x cube, and here it will be x plus 1 by x. This and this equation I'm writing together minus 3. For calculating this, we have to use formula n cube minus 3n, and the value of this is given as 5. 5 minus 3. In given equation, the value of n is 5. So cube of 5 minus 3 into 5. Cube of 5 is 125. 25 we have to minus 15 divided by 2. So when we will minus 15 out of 125, it will give 110. Divided by 2, it will give 55. So our answer will be A. Now in this question, we have to calculate x power cube plus 1 divided by x की power cube. It is given minus 1. When we will put in reciprocal, this minus will become positive. So we have to calculate this, and we are given this x square. So we will divide this equation by x. It will become 4x. We will divide this equation by 2x. It will become 4x square by 2x minus 6x by 2x 1 plus 2x. This x will cut this x, will give 2, will give 3. So we can write it as 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 6 is equals to 0, or 2x plus 1 by 2x is equals to 6. So we will use the formula when x plus 1 by x is given n, and we have to calculate its cube, as the cube of 2x is 8x cube. This can be written as like this: 2x cube plus 1 divided by 2x cube, which will be n cube minus 3n. Here the value of n is 6. Cube of 6, 3 into 6. As you know, the cube of 6 is 216. Something wrong is there, just wait. We have to n cube minus, sorry, it's sorry, I have done a mistake here. It's 3 here. So 2x plus 1 by 2x is equals to 3. Now we have to calculate 2x power cube, 2x cube, which is n cube minus 3n. As the value of n is 3, so it will be cube of 3 minus 3 into 3. It will be 27 minus 9. That will give you 18. So our answer is Charlie. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe.